The nature of science in chemistry. The nature of science refers to the way science develops knowledge through observation, experimentation, and reasoning. In chemistry, this nature is especially important because it helps us understand the structure, properties, and behavior of matter. Chemistry is often called the central science since it connects physics, biology, earth science, and even engineering. Understanding the nature of science in chemistry allows us to see how scientific ideas are built, tested, and applied to solve real-world problems. A key aspect of the nature of science in chemistry is observation and experimentation. Chemists use their senses and tools to study substances, measure reactions, and collect data. For example, observing color changes, temperature shifts, or gas production during a reaction helps scientists form hypotheses. However, chemistry does not stop at observation. It requires controlled experiments to test ideas. This experimental approach ensures that knowledge is evidence-based and reliable. Another important part of chemistry is the development of theories and models. Since atoms and molecules are too small to be seen directly, chemists create models to represent them. The atomic theory, the periodic table, and models of chemical bonding are examples of how scientists use imagination and evidence to explain invisible processes. These models are not final truths but tools that improve as new evidence is discovered. For instance, early models of the atom by Dalton and Thomson were replaced by more accurate ones from Rutherford and Bohr, and later by the quantum mechanical model. This shows that scientific knowledge is tentative. It changes with new discoveries. The creativity of scientists also plays a role in chemistry. Designing experiments, imagining new molecules, or developing new materials requires innovative thinking. For example, the creation of synthetic polymers, medicines, and nanomaterials reflects the creativity of chemists in applying scientific knowledge for human benefit. The nature of science in chemistry is also collaborative and universal. Discoveries are shared, tested, and reviewed by other scientists across the world. This peer review ensures accuracy and prevents bias. At the same time, chemistry is influenced by culture, technology, and society. For example, the discovery of antibiotics has saved millions of lives, while green chemistry aims to reduce environmental harm. This highlights the social and ethical dimensions of chemistry. Uncertainty and open-mindedness are also central to the nature of science. Chemists know that results may vary and that errors are possible. Instead of proving something once and for all, science focuses on building stronger evidence. This is why replication of experiments and critical thinking are so important in chemistry. In conclusion, the nature of science in chemistry is a dynamic process that involves observation, experimentation, creativity, and revision. It shows us that scientific knowledge is built step by step, tested through evidence, and always open to change. By understanding this nature, students and scientists alike can appreciate chemistry not only as a collection of facts, but as a way of thinking that explains matter and shapes our modern world.